In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account in Jotform. By the end, you'll have a brand new account and be ready to start building forms in just a few minutes. First, open your favorite web browser and head to jotform.com. Make sure you're on the official site, spelled exactly jotform.com. When the page loads, look to the top right corner and click the Sign Up button. This takes you to the account creation options. You'll see 3 ways to get started. If you prefer using an email and password, type in your name, your email address, and create a strong password you'll remember. A quick tip, using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols makes your password more secure, and a password manager can help you store it safely. If you like a faster setup, you can choose Continue with Google and select your Google account from the list. Or choose Continue with Facebook and follow the prompts to connect. Signing up with Google or Facebook is convenient because it typically skips the email verification step and lets you sign in quickly on any device. If you went with email and password, check your email inbox right away for a message from Jotform. Open that message and click the verification link to activate your account. If you don't see it within a couple of minutes, refresh your inbox and check your spam or junk folder. You can also use the search bar in your email for Jotform to locate it more easily. Keep the same browser window open so the verification completes smoothly, and avoid clicking the link multiple times. Once your account is activated, return to jotform.com. Click Login at the top right. If you signed up with email and password, enter those credentials and sign in. If you used Google or Facebook, click the same. Continue with Google or Continue with Facebook button and confirm your account. That's it, you're in. After logging in, you should land on your Jotform dashboard. From here, you can start creating forms, explore templates, or adjust basic settings. If you're on a shared or public computer, remember to sign out when you're done to keep your account secure. And if you ever forget your password, the login page has a Forgot Password option to help you reset it through your email. You now know the simplest, most reliable way to create your Jotform account. Follow these steps, choose the sign-up method that fits you best, and you'll be ready to build and share forms in no time.